Hi everyone. Today we will be discussing about online examination in Fedina. So you can find online exam in examination module. Then you can see online exam here. So as a first step, you should have to create a new online exam. For that you can click this option, that is new online exam. So let me give some name and you can give the start date. So let me give the start date, and also you can give the end date in which the exam has been ended. And also you can give the maximum time for that examination, and that time should be in minutes. So let me give 15 minutes, and the pass percentage you can give, let me give 40%. After that you can give the exam type. Either you can give it as like it's all like general exam, or you can give it as specific exam, subject specific. So at that time you have to specify the batch and you have to specify the subjects. So let me select the general mode and I can select one batch. So let me select IT semester 3. Okay, so you can see when I click this batch, you can see all the students comes like this. If I want to unassign any student, I can do like this. Otherwise, I can make it the exam for all the student. And the exam format, like either it may be objective or hybrid, that you can select at the time of creating online examination. So after that, I can create the examination. So the online exam has been created. So if you want to add the questions, you can click this view online examination and you can see an option here. For that you can select a batch. So we already created examination for IT semester 3. So you can see this is the online examination name that we have created. So while clicking that, you can see no question is added to this online exam. So either we can add the questions or we can import the questions from the previous online examination. So let me import some sample questions. So you can do like this. You can see who invented computer virus, something like that. So you can import, and you can see we don't give mark, so we should give mark for that question. So let me give 5 marks, and I can import that. So in the same way, I can import some more questions to that examination. So I added some questions. So after that, I can go to this finish option. So it means the question has been imported like this. So in this way, you can import the question. Otherwise, if you want to add the questions, you can click this option and you can give the questions here. You can give the question here, and the answer 1 you can give here. The 2 you can give. In this way, you can add as many answers that you want. On option 3, let me give answer 3. So suppose if answer 1 is the correct answer, then we can make it as is answer. So at the time of answering the questions, if a student select this option 1, then it will be considered as a correct answer, like this. So we can go to view online exams. We can select a batch. So for this batch, you can see these all are the questions that we added. So if you want to rearrange the questions, you can see an option like here, like rearrange questions, and you can drag it like this, the questions, if you need. For your convenience, you can make that. And one more thing, if you enable this randomized option, the question for like when a student log in with Fedina for attending the examination, then the student will get the questions in a randomized way. So if you want to enable this option, it means it will present the questions random order to students when they appear for the exam. So in this way I can do that, and I can go to view online exam. So the examination has been created, so that you can see from here. So I can select the batch and I can select that questions. So in more, you can see publish exam. So after creating examination, we added questions. So after that, we can publish the exam. It means now the student can access. So let me log in as a student from IT semester 3 batch. So let me log in as one student. You can access the online examination through academics, and they will get to see this option like online examination. So they can select an examination. So this is the examination that we created, that is online examination. So we can, if you're ready, then they can start the examination. If they click this start examination, then the timer will be active. So you can see start examination. So you can see the timer has been started. So we can like this, we can add the answers, and finally and we can finish that. So you can see the result like this. After completing the exam, you can see this student score 20 out of 30. So at the time of creating examination, we are giving a criteria that the student have to score at least 40%. So this student scored 40%, then the student is passed. Then they can finish the examination. So let me log in as administrator. So they can go to academics, examination. So one student attend the exam, and so we can, as an administrator or a teacher, they can see the exam result. So for that they can select the batch and they can select the examination, and you can see view result option from here. If you click this view result, you can see this student is attended the exam recently, that is Mohan M. So this student scored 20 out of 30 and the status you can see at passed. So if you want to get the PDF report, you can take the report from here. So in this way, you can conduct online examination in FITINA. So that is all about online examination.